Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Take It Easy. Today we'll learn how to set up Microsoft Teams meeting. To do that, you need to first go to the Microsoft website, follow the links, and you need to set up your Microsoft ID. Microsoft ID enables you to use Microsoft Teams and other features such as Skype and Microsoft 365. When you're done, your name should show here, and Microsoft account is active. Now you can go to the download Teams from here and download the installation for desktop or mobile. It's up to you which one you want. I already finished the installation for desktop version and I already signed in and everything. Now we can go directly to the application from here. Now here's how the application looks like. There are a few things that you can do. First thing is to chat with people person to person. I already set up one here. As you can see, there are a few chats here. You can type in here or send items from here as well. There are many options you can do here, and when you're done with the chatting, you can go to the Teams section here, where you can add a few themes here and customize it as you like. And inside the general post here, you can post a lot of things and people inside the Teams will see it. For example, here I already post a few pictures and a few chatting here, and you can always reply to any post posted here, and the more you reply, the longer the post conversation will go on. And if you want to invite more people, you can always do it from here. Now moving on to calls. Here you can set up a speed dial, and this is your contacts, and everything else is very straightforward. And the last thing is the meetings. There are two ways that you can set up a meetings in Microsoft Teams. The first one is Meet Now. This is very straightforward. All you need to do is set up a title. Let's say meeting number 1. And when you're ready, you just join now. You can add people into these meetings, and you can also raise your hand when we are talking, and you can see the participants here, and you can also share it here to copy and paste the link on an email to your friends, or you can send it via emails to more than one people here. After everything is done, you can just wait until people are here and continue the meeting. When the meeting is over, just hang up and everything will be finished. Now moving on to the second method, that's a schedule meeting for the future. When you click here, you can also set up the meeting ID. Let's say meeting number 2. And this is the time and this is the duration of the meeting. And when you're done, you just schedule it. Now Microsoft Teams will set up everything. All you need to do is to maybe send it manually if you want, or you can use Google Calendar to send the invitations. And that's everything from Microsoft Meets. Now, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to call us at 0386 521 589. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.